Resetting your Binance Web3 wallet in 2024 is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. First, access the wallet. Open your Binance app or website and log in into your account and navigate Web3 Wallet section. Second, back up your data. Before resetting, ensure you back up your wallet data and note down your recovery phrase and any important private keys. This step is crucial, as losing this information can result in permanent loss of access to your assets. Third, initiate the reset. Go to the settings menu within your Web3 wallet. Look at the reset wallet or clear data option. This option may vary slightly based on updates, but should be clearly labeled. Fourth, confirm the action. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision to reset. Read the warning carefully, as resetting will delete your wallet information from the device. Fifth, set up a new wallet. After confirming, follow the prompts to create a new wallet. You will need to generate a new recovery phrase and write it down securely, as it's essential for accessing your wallet in the future. Sixth, restore assets if applicable. If you backed up your previous wallet, you can restore your assets by entering the old recovery phrase. Seventh, stay secure. After resetting, enable any security features offered by Binance, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your new wallet. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Binance Web3 wallet while ensuring your assets remain safe.